Hello, my name is Peggy Festa. I teach 6th grade math currently. I discovered MCP when I was making the shift to remote COVID instruction. I was online researching, trying to find some way to handle teaching online when I'd always been an in-person with my students' teacher. We had just gotten laptops for all the students. We had never had all of this technology before, and I wanted some way to make this easier for both myself and the students and to streamline how I was going to teach online with the students. I came across a few videos of the Modern Classroom project, and it really piqued my interest. So that winter of 2021 school year, I jumped into the free online class, did that, and then that spring I jumped both feet in and transitioned my entire class into a modern classroom. Everything was done online. With the kids, we used a combination of Schoology and as our learning platform, along with Teams meetings. We did small group instruction with breakout rooms and teams. We used all of our notes were done with the kids in the Teams notebooks. But the kids really did great with it. And so once we went back to in-person in the classroom, I kept it. And I still am using my computers for the majority of my instruction. And we are doing a lot more hands-on as part of the instruction, but the videos and all of that stay with it. And my principals and everybody love it. The self-paced is allowing the kids to continue. So in spring of 22, I was honored enough to get a free virtual mentorship. I did that, was able to feel like I was implementing the program even better in my room. So this will be the next step for me. We'll see how this goes. This unit I'm submitting is our data analysis unit. It's one of the favorite ones we love to do. I'm submitting the first 3 lessons, which is our mean, our median, and our mode. The kids learn the fundamentals of that. Then they learn the range, IQR, and MAD. From there, they actually have to apply all of this into a project. And they're doing all this through the videos and then applying the skills. Our project, they have to decide one thing they want to change in our school. We teach them how surveys work in the real world, and they have to write 3 survey questions to ask their classmates. They have to interview over 50 of their classmates, compile their data, apply everything they've learned about data to analyze it with mean, median, mode, IQR, and MAD, create their data analysis to write a business letter to our principal and convince her that their change should happen using their data as proof. If their proof doesn't happen to support their point of view, we show them how the media uses data to lie to us every day and how they can tweak their data by changing how their graphs appear and how they alter their statements and make it appear that their data supports them when it really doesn't, and still see if they can convince our principal using their data. And we see if they can make changes happen in our building. But this is the unit, and we'll see how it goes.